Hey guys! So today we're going to show you how to add your location to your Facebook business page. We've noticed a lot of people don't have this information there, either because they skipped over it or sometimes they don't have an office location, so they don't want to share their home address on their Facebook page, which is totally understandable. But there's a super easy way around that. And having your location on your page is so important in helping to get you seen by your proper audience and really make those connections that you need to make as far as your networks go. So if you have your location on Google, on your website, on your Facebook page, on your Instagram page, it really all works together to help optimize everything. So what you're going to do is pull up your business page either from your news feed, so it'll be on the left hand side under pages, or we're just going to use the search bar up here. Okay, so now that you're on your page, you want to scroll down to the about section where it says enter location. So click on this and we're going to just type our city and state and our zip code. So now what we want to do is scroll down and it's going to auto-populate this map with a pin for your area. So you can easily click on this and move it around to wherever you want it to be. It doesn't need to be at your house address. Obviously, that's kind of the purpose, is to not show your home address. If you have a business address and an actual office, then definitely put the whole address here and it'll pin your exact location, and you can even add the option to give people directions there. But for this example, we're not going to do that. So down here, we want to go where it says customers visit my page at my street address, and we want to click that because you're not giving out your sensitive personal address information, so we don't need it to be hidden from the page. So just exit out and go up here and refresh your page, and when you scroll down, now you're there. So now, not only do you have your location on your page, but as you see, it says right here, promote your business locally to lead people directly to Murfreesboro, Tennessee. So you could do that to help grow your local audience. All right, well, I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, let us know. Message us on our Made to Market Facebook page. All right, happy posting.